Before you start this procedure, let me warn you that you should have all the files that you want to keep that are on your SD card transferred to some other form of media, because this procedure will permanently delete all folders on your SD card. Formatting an SD card in a Byakov Dash Camera. Power the Byakov Dash Camera on. The red dot in the top left corner indicates that the camera is recording, so give the power button another short push to stop it. Press the button in the lower right corner twice. You'll see the gear icon highlighted in the top left corner. Press the down arrow key 7 times and it should be highlighting the format label. Press the power button once to select format. Press the down arrow key once to select OK. Then press the power button once to start formatting the SD card. Now press and hold the power button because you are done. Ta-da! Easy peasy.